Just wanted to send a quick shout out and a massive thank you to Scott Jansen for the 2-day workshop in conversational hypnotherapy. I've been to a lot of 2-day workshops in my life so far, and I've never been to a 2-day workshop where I took away so much learning. The 2 days were an amazing mix of great education and understanding, but some really amazing real life demonstrations that we were able to speak through and talk through. The love and care that Scott showed in those 2 days was amazing. He's an absolute professional. But if there's anyone thinking about this course and wondering if they should do it, I would say less thinking and more doing, guys. Get on it. You will not be disappointed. I find myself still perplexed in the things that we took away in those 2 days, and I can tell you now that maybe 48 hours after that course, I started implementing and employing these techniques. And to say that the results that my clients have received has been amazing is an understatement. Truly a great 2 days. I would pay to do it again. It was just a great gathering of some really good, passionate people, and the way Scott led those 2 days was just amazing. So again, Scott, thank you so much for those 2 days. I would say without a doubt right now, that's probably the best 2-day workshop that I've ever been part of. So again, thank you so much for the care that you took over those 2 days and the care that you continue to show us. I really do appreciate you, mate. Thanks so much.